Standlee Hay Company has been pioneering the forage industry for over 30 years. We own 13,000 acres of farmland in the fertile, volcanic soils of Southern Idaho and harvest an additional 13,000 acres for a total of 26,000 acres of alfalfa, alfalfa grass, timothy, orchard, and straw. We're proud of our long-standing commitment to premium Western forage and are dedicated to growing, producing, and manufacturing the highest quality forage products available today in the industry. Standlee Premium Western Forage offers a variety of products for equine and other livestock. Our products are all natural and nutritious. We do not use mold inhibitors, drying agents, or dyes. Standlee Premium Western Forages are sun-cured naturally and baled at the optimum time to ensure highest quality and nutrient levels. Standlee Premium Western Forage baled products include compressed and grab-and-go bales of alfalfa, alfalfa grass, timothy, orchard, and straw. Standlee also offers 3 tie bales of different forage types in select regions. Bagged products include alfalfa cubes and pellets, timothy pellets, orchard grass pellets, alfalfa timothy cubes and pellets, alfalfa oat cubes, chopped alfalfa, alfalfa timothy and straw, beet pulp pellets and shreds, and appleberry cookie cubes, all natural horse treats. All Standlee products are premium, meaning of highest quality, with a few selected products also being certified. Certified means that the field the forage or straw came from has been certified by the Idaho Department of Agriculture to be free of noxious weeds. This does not mean that it is weed-free. It is noxious weed-free. Certified noxious weed-free products are required by federal and state authorities for use in protected national and state lands. For the complete selection of Standlee Premium Western Forage products, please visit our website at stanleeforage.com. Standlee Hay Company recommends feeding by weight and not by volume. 1.5 to 2% of a horse's body weight should be fed per day in forages, depending on the horse's activity. This equates to 15 to 20 pounds of dry forage per day for a 1,000-pound horse. Always use the concept, a pound of hay is a pound of hay, regardless of its form. Therefore, a pound of cubes is the same nutritionally as a pound of pellets or a pound of baled hay. Gradually replace existing hay with Standlee Premium Western Forage over a 7 to 10-day period. Replace existing hay on a 1-to-1 basis with Standlee Premium Western Forage. Never feed moldy or insect-infested forage to horses. Always provide free access to fresh, clean water. Work with your veterinarian or an equine nutritionist to develop a total health care and nutrition program for your equine partner. Standlee's line of cubes includes certified alfalfa cubes, premium alfalfa timothy cubes, and premium alfalfa oat cubes. Cubes should be soaked for animals with dental issues, older animals, and to prevent choking or throat scratch. The cubes can be soaked with 2 parts water to 1 part cubes. Cubes can also be sprinkled with water for animals with respiratory problems. Always use room temperature or cold water to soak the cubes. Otherwise, it can cause them to ferment. Feed at ground level. Standlee's line of pellets includes premium alfalfa pellets, certified timothy grass pellets, premium alfalfa timothy pellets, and premium orchard grass pellets. Pellets should be soaked for animals with dental issues, older animals, and to prevent choking or throat scratch. The pellets can be soaked with 2 parts water to 1 part pellets. Pellets can also be sprinkled with water for animals with respiratory problems. Always use room temperature or cold water to soak the pellets, otherwise it can cause them to ferment. Feed pellets at ground level. Standlee's line of chopped forage includes premium chopped alfalfa and premium chopped alfalfa timothy. Standlee Premium Western Chopped Forage is high-quality forage that has been cut into small pieces. Chopped forage is often mixed with the grain portion of the diet. to slow the rate of grain intake. It's also utilized as a highly palatable carrier for medications for sick animals. If Standlee Premium Western Chopped Forage is utilized as the sole forage source, feed it at a minimum rate of 1.5% of body weight per day. If Standlee Premium Western Chopped Forage is being fed to replace only a portion of the hay in the diet, gradually remove the desired amount of hay and add the same weight of Standlee Premium Western Chopped Forage. Compressed bales of forage are made using a 4x4x8 bale of forage that is put into a press. It's sliced, compressed, weighed, and then banded. Grab-and-go bales are furthermore shrink-wrapped and equipped with a handle for easy and clean handling and transport. During the process of cutting the forage, it creates fractures. Think of what happens to a piece of wood when it gets cut. It creates sawdust. Fractures are little particles of forage. They may look like dust to some people, however, it's actually fractures from the forage. These fractures are not harmful. In fact, most horses eat it up like it's the best part of the forage, the candy if you will. Standlee's line of baled forage includes premium and certified alfalfa compressed and grab-and-go bales, premium and certified Timothy compressed bales, as well as premium Timothy grab-and-go bales, premium alfalfa grass compressed and grab-and-go bales, and premium orchard grass compressed bales. The bands on the compressed bales should be cut 8 to 10 hours prior to feeding to allow the forage to relax and breathe. This will also help to prevent overfeeding and allow the forage to form its natural flakes. Feed by weight and not by volume, 1.5 to 2% of a horse's body weight. The forage can be wetted for horses with respiratory sensitivities. Standlee Hay Company purchases beet pulp pellets and shreds from the local sugar factory. We bring the product to our manufacturing facility and bag them. We do not add any molasses to the product. It is in there as a byproduct of the manufacturing of the sugar beets at the sugar factory. Beet pulp pellets have about 8% sugar. Beet pulp shreds have about 10% sugar. Of this, 3% is from molasses. Beet pulp is an excellent source of digestible fiber and works well to put weight on a horse or for hard keepers. Beet pulp can be fed to mature horses at a rate of 0.05 to 0.2% of body weight per day depending on activity level. For a 1,000-pound horse, this equates to 1/2 to 2 pounds of dry beet pulp per day. Beet pulp is a dehydrated product and is recommended to be soaked completely submerged in water for a minimum of 15 to 30 minutes prior to feeding. Soak beet pulp pellets or shreds with 2 parts water to 1 part pellets or shreds, with room temperature or cold water. Do not use hot water as it may cause the product to ferment. Feed at ground level. All-natural Appleberry Cookie Cubes horse treats are a delicious treat made of alfalfa, Timothy, and human-grade cranberries infused with applesauce. They're a great way to reward your animal or to just give as nutritious snacks. These cookie cubes should not be fed as a sole source of nutrition. They're not recommended for horses with dental issues. Standlee offers 2 types of bedding, shavings and straw. We have 2 sizes of manufactured pine wood shavings, as well as compressed straw bales and chopped straw. All our animal bedding is made from the best materials available and is highly absorbent and free of dust. Standlee Premium Western Forage wants the best for your equine partner. Along with free access to fresh, clean water, the most important part of a horse's diet is forage, and selecting the right type is the place to start. After all, the horse's digestive system is designed to digest forage, so it makes sense to make high-quality forage the most important ingredient in the diet. To assist horse owners with this effort, Dr. Stephen Duren, Standlee's nutrition expert, developed the Standlee Forage Finder to help you make the right choice for your horse. Go to www.standleeforage.com/forage-finder to get started. First, choose your horse's age from the drop-down menu. Different age or life stages require different nutrient levels. Once you've entered your horse's life stage, the following questions will help identify the activity level of your horse, as well as any special needs your horse has. Training, competition, and even lactation drastically increase the calorie requirements of horses and animals with special needs. Illness, disease, or age also affects a horse's diet. Did you know that all these factors play an important role in choosing the right forage for your horse? Finish answering the questions to see your results and have Stanley email them straight to your inbox by entering your email address. Now that you know the optimal forage type and a few recommended products, what's the next step? We highly recommend using the Standlee Feed Calculator to determine the healthier diet for your horse. This tool can be found at stanleeforage.com/nutrition/feed-calc. Standlee Premium Western Forage highly recommends feeding the highest quality forage to optimize your horse's health. With any horse, the more quality forage fed, the healthier the animal, which ultimately translates into fewer veterinary bills. If feeding grain and too much is fed, horses may experience digestive upset, colic, gastric ulcers, or even laminitis. Replacing low to moderate quality hay with Standlee Premium Western Forage will provide horses with additional nutrition. If feeding grain, this will often result in feeding less grain to maintain the same body weight. Our goal is always a well-fed, healthy horse. The Standlee Feed Calculator tool is pretty simple too. Just enter your horse's weight, make a few forage selections, estimate how much hay and grain you feed currently, and specify how much Standlee Premium Western Forage you want to add to your horse's diet. And voila! The healthier diet for your horse is automatically calculated. You can even have your results emailed to you for reference. The Standlee Feed Calculator calculates the above results using the average nutritional values of low to moderate quality hay by type, alfalfa, grass, and mixed, and grain across manufacturers. For more accurate results, Stanley recommends sending your current hay and grain to a feed analysis laboratory. For more information about Standlee Premium Western Forage products, or to find a retailer near you, visit www.stanleeforage.com or call 800-398-0819. That's 800-398-0819.